Hello, on this video I'm going to teach you how to fix that iOS 17 lag. So every after Apple updates its iOS, it optimizes our applications. When our application gets optimized all the time, your phone will get hot. If your phone will get hot, your phone will go slow. That's the analogy of that one. Now I have a few tricks here to help you with that problem. First things first is go into settings and clicking on the search bar the word reduce, okay? Once you have reduce right there, make sure this option is turned off. Let me just go back right there. I think I basically clicked something. So in default, or by default, this option is turned off. Make sure that's turned on to reduce the motion of your phone. As you can see, the transitions are now snappier. Now, step 2 is going to be open the settings again. Let me just go back right there. And then looking for the mail settings, okay? Let me just look for mail real quickly over here. So if I can't find it, technically I can just search it by the search bar over here. Click mail right there. Now make sure once you're inside mail, make sure that it's turned off, okay? Once you did that, you're good to go, because if you did that turn off mail, every second of your time, Apple is connecting to Google, Microsoft, or Apple, okay? And then next one is gonna be background app refresh. It's gonna be this one right here. Make sure this is turned off. By default, it's gonna be Wi-Fi and cellular data. Make sure it's turned off, okay? And then lastly, go to battery. Okay, give me a second right here. Battery should be here. Make sure low power mode is turned off. If you have the low power mode enabled, your phone will go slow by default because it will save energy. To avoid that, remove that low power mode, okay? And that should help you remove those lags on your iPhone, okay? So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and that's how you fix your lag on iOS 17. Okay? I'll catch you in the next one, guys. Goodbye for now.